but it looks different.
Oh my goodness.
It's different though.
Different sizes.
Yeah, it's different.
And
Oh,
you
a
got
big one and a little
Rarity
one.
is one you wanted, right?
But I didn't expect for two princesses.
But one is big and one is little. That should make a difference.
What can I do with these two?
Well,
Play with them.
we'll figure it
Have
out.
the twin princesses.
Okay.
But there is no twin princess.
Well, we can always just put one of them away in case the other one gets broken. But you got Rarity.
Yes, that's a good one.
One can be the mom,
Okay.
one can be the baby.
Which one is this coming out?
Marissa, what do you tell Uncle Steve?
Thank you.
And this is Grandma and Grandpa Bee's.
Big fat card. No, this isn't a card. This is the card. The purple. Oh. Excuse me.
Boy, another comment, huh? Was that a thank you to the chef for tonight? That's how they do it.
Ooh, a butterfly card. Butterfly card. Dear Marissa, hope your birthday makes your heart a flutter and happy 7th birthday. God bless you. We love you guys. Grandpa plus Grandma Beaky. For new shirts or something else you might like to pick, I have these things.
Oh my goodness.
I'm going to open this one first. That is not no fair.
Not fair.
Looks like it's good. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Judy B.
Judy B. Jones.
I used to love those books.
Yeah, she's plowing through those books.
You got lots of
Like those.
Alright, what else did Grandma get you? Judy B.
Yes. I'm full of the Shelby. You can sing the shopping. That's
Oh, wow.
I get those a lot too. One for Easter.
Can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa in the video?
Thank you.
All right.